DXP Supply Chain Services, also known as SCS, specialize in maintaining your maintenance, repair, and operating products and procedures, keeping them stocked and running at optimal levels, allowing our customers to focus on their core competencies. Our specialized programs digitize the customer supply chain, therefore improving efficiency, increasing uptime, and reducing costs. DXP SmartBuy is DXP's procurement management solution. SmartBuy helps customers digitize their processes, stay agile, and ultimately become data-driven powerhouses. This seamless procurement solution helps maintain transparency and consistency of inventory data, purchase orders, shipping, payment, and invoicing information. With DXP, gain access to over 5,000 manufacturers, the widest breadth of industrial products, and broad, first-tier capabilities. Depending on the needs of the customer, SmartBuy can be an on-site solution with a dedicated DXP procurement expert that will be your very own dedicated source, or an electronic solution. For the e-commerce solution, the customer manages the orders and data through an online e-commerce platform and mobile app. DXP Supply Chain Services provide operational excellence through customer-driven and specialized on-site maintenance, repair, and operating programs to improve efficiency, increase uptime, and reduce costs. Learn more about DXP's SmartBuy services at www.dxpe.com/supply chain services.